Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Deshalonija Natalia. Here I will present my GT. My thought, Tembeng Layang is a kelurahan in the Dusun Timur, Sub-District, Sibarito Regency, Central Kalimantan Provinsi, Indonesia, and is the administrative center of Sibarito Regency. Sibarito population. Sibarito Regency is one of the regencies in the province of Central Kalimantan, Indonesia. The capital of district is Tamiang Layang. In 2022, the district population is 113,229 people with a density of 30 people km2. Balian dadas dance is a dance performed to a sekarang yang hantala langit or good for railing for the thirst for earth. Generally, this dance includes female sameness or known as balian dadas. However, this dance is more often performed in the time of the welcoming inauguration ceremony because in the modern era like today, the healing process can be done in a security way. Number 2. Lewuhante Museum Traditional Auschwitz for Youth Collection. Lewuhante is a replica of the Maanyan, the traditional house in Taniran Village, Tamiang Layang Regency. Lewuhante is the name of the local liquid which interpreted in Indonesia as the big house. Building house was construction logs sturdy are mostly made on iron wood. What's interesting is that Lewuhante Taniran location is located on the edge of border with main Central Kalimantan or South Kalimantan. Where near Lewuhante there is also a traditional house of the Banjar tribe of South Kalimantan which can be a tourist visiting destination as well. Number 3. Princess Mayang Sari Tomb Tourist Attraction. Makam Putri Mayang is a historical place built by the ancestors of Dayak people of Central Kalimantan several centuries ago, as well as a spiritual place to give thanks to extraordinary and merging human reflection with nature. Number 4. Black Corridor in Sibarito Regency. Siong Village is one to the forest village is Tamiang Layang, Sibarito District, Central Kalimantan Provinsi. The village is located in Paju Epat District is an tourism forest kelly and the Black Corridor by presenting interesting natural beauty when seated out careful with the fresh air that is one attraction for visitors. Number 5. Priam Kucing Attraction. Tradition in Sibarito. Number 1. The traditional ritual of Bontang Hajat Dayak Maanyan. The traditional Bontang ritual is a form of Thanksgiving ceremony and paying nature is not only intended for analysis of the Karingan Hindu delegation but can be done by Iones along a still Maanyan. The traditional Bontang Hajat ritual begins with a papas pali procession which is marked by inserting ancestral skull into the balai as the center of the ritual event, which is accompanied by joyful dance turn with the. Number 2. Wadian Bulat Dayak Maanyan Sibarito Regency. Wadian Bulat is one of the typical artists of the Maanyan tribe. Lawangan and Bawah Helmtis attraction for body parts attraction such as hand fed to the head. Wadian round is mostly done by male dancer because it is more appealing to do it for reason of the aesthetic or moral norms. This round Wadian attraction is often displayed at welcoming courts, wedding, and other joyous celebration. The goal is the simple or kids or disturbance that they threaten to take place during the event. Attraction are a form of event for guests who come to visit. Number 3, Ijame. The Ijame ritual is a belief of the Maanyan tribe of Pajuevat is a Kaharingan regulation. The ritual is a processing of delivering the spirit of the dead to Pile Datu Tunyung. It takes 9 days for the spirit of the dead to truly return to heaven, of why is called Pilu Datu Tunyung. Number 4, Miwit Abe in Si Barito Regeni. Abe is a statue that was originally in the form of human and resembles an old grandfather created by the community because in existence in Dayu village there was a distillery that the community called Numa. The incident shocked the family of the community because a grinder turned into a statue. The people named the statue the Abe statue. In this effort, the community culturally needs support because in ways neutral of the visibly, the local will be alright along with existing developments. Number 5, the Manugal tradition in Si Barito Regeni. Manugal or Mu'aw is a tradition of planting rice in group and working together on dry land or fields in the Bayak Maanyan community in Si Barito Regeni, Central Kalimantan. This tradition is usually carried out at the beginning of the rainy season between September and the end of November. Before it is time to plant rice, and clearing or land clearing is carried out easily, and with burning wheat is now starting to forbid and restriction for the Dayak people. The reason of burning that as wind left in form something in belief to friendly for rice plant. Livelihood in my area. Number 1, farming. Number 2, tapping rubber. Number 3, palm oil work. Thank you.